everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, or if you have and forgot how to say my name, it's Kian, and I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to do an apartment tour. I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and I just live in a studio, so it shouldn't be a long video because I literally have one room in my apartment. Back to business. So I live in a really tiny apartment, so it should be a quick video, but I asked you guys on my Instagram stories what I should record today, and an apartment tour 1. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I will tell you what it is right now, somewhere around here, and there'll be a link in the description. So make sure to go follow me. And other than that, let's get into the video. So here is the front door of my apartment. So when you turn in, I just have this K sign that's from Home Goods, where I usually hang my purse and my keys, and then don't mind all of this stuff. It's things I need to take to my car or I'm donating, but I kind of just keep it here so I remember to bring it. Then I have my garbage can, recycling, which I need to take out. So, okay, all that boring stuff is over with. So you walk in and there's like this alley kitchenway. So this is what my kitchen looks like. Lots of bananas. I bought this really pretty marble cutting board, and I just keep like flowers and a candle on it, and I never use it. I always forget that I have it. What do you guys think? Is this like something I should keep, or should I ex-nay this little area right here? Yeah, I have a full size everything, so I really like the kitchen. I wish the appliances were silver, but it's fine. If you want a sneak peek into my fridge, this is what I'm working with right now. If you guys want to see like grocery hauls or what's in my fridge, let me know. So after you leave the kitchen, you kind of enter the main area of my space. So when you first walk in, I just got this bookshelf. It's from IKEA. And then I have these 2 sofas and the rug, and basically everything here is from Home Goods. This is what the bookshelf looks like. So I just have all these accents. I need to put a picture in there. I just got it, but everything up here is from Home Goods. And then I have a ton of books. These are ones that I'm reading or like the covers of, and I got this book stopper. It's kind of like this marble stone book stopper from Home Goods. Everything down here is from Home Goods. I have this box. It's like really soft, and it has more books in here, and then I got this basket to kind of hide my internet and cable box, with more books and notebooks in there. So that's kind of what that looks like. I basically just needed some storage for my books because I had so many, and I was like outgrowing where they were before. So then these 2 sofas are from Home Goods, and they're this really pretty like grayish blue color, like so soft and big. I'm so happy I got them. I'm obsessed. And then as you see, I have these huge windows. I believe my ceilings are, I don't know, maybe 12 feet? I don't know. But that was one of the main reasons I got this apartment, was how open it felt, and these huge windows with lots of light. This is just like a little area table, also from Home Goods. Everything on here is actually from Home Goods. This is a little light, so it lights up. I don't have it turned on right now. And then to the right when you walk in is where I have my TV set up. So I had this desk from my old apartment, and I've debated getting rid of it because it takes up a little bit of the space to like walking through, but not too much. I needed somewhere to put my TV, so I held on to it for now, and I actually use it for storage, but I never use it as a desk. So I don't know, I'm still working on this area, trying to figure out what I want to do, but this was kind of like the best place for me to put the TV other than here. but I thought putting it here would kind of cut off the room because then I would have to turn these chairs and all that jazz. So this is my setup right now, and then I just angle the TV towards my bed when I'm watching it. From there, I have another empty picture frame. My security system is back there. Then I just have like some knickknacks, and in these drawers, I keep a bunch of random stuff. This one's more organized than this one. This one's just like, I can't even open it. Yeah, so that's the desk. The desk is from IKEA, in case you were wondering. Moving on to my bedroom area. My bed is from Amazon. I can try to link that in the description if you're interested. This blanket and all of my pillows are from HomeGoods. The comforter is from Bed Bath & Beyond, which I'll try to link. To the left of my bed, I have this like makeshift bedside table. I need to get another one, but I just put my chair desk over here and I put my fan and like my light on it. And then I have this big mirror from HomeGoods as well. Everything here is from HomeGoods too. Above my bed is this really pretty mirrored, I don't know, piece of wall art. I love it. It's from Pier 1. I've debated kind of painting like the space in between the mirror like a lighter like white color because it looks a little bit rustic for my taste. But yeah, I really love it. To the right of my bed, I have an actual mirrored bedside table, and that is from HomeGoods, along with this little basket underneath to keep my journal and any books I'm reading like before bed. But I want to get another mirrored bedside table that has drawers and put it on this side and then move that one where that chair is. So keep that in mind. I have some flowers. My friend Johnny sent me these. Shout out Johnny. You rock. And then I keep a few things on my bedside table. This is a little tray that my friend Courtney got me for my birthday. So cute. I have a little crystal pendant, and then I have my lavender oil. This is sleep relief from aromatherapy spray for my pillows. I believe this is from Bath and Body Works. And then I have my lavender roll-on to help me sleep. Ooh. Chapstick. And then I have this candle from Anthropologie. It smells really good. The lamp is from HomeGoods. It matches that side. And then I also have hidden back here my oil diffuser that I got on Amazon. And I like to diffuse lavender at night to help me sleep. So once you turn around the bed area, I have my infamous like Sex in the City closet hallway, which is like amazing. Like when I saw this, I was like, yes, please, because my other place didn't even have a real closet. So I upgraded to 4 closets, and it's the most amazing thing that's ever happened to me. So on the left side, I have all my tops, like neutral tops, and I have them color coordinated from whites to blacks. And then down here, I bought these things from HomeGoods, and they're actually like amazing because they're cute. And then I just store a bunch of random stuff in them. In here, I actually keep my underwear. Honestly, this thing has been quite the lifesaver. And yes, I do fold my underwear and I color coordinate it. If you knew me in high school, your mind is probably blown because my apartment in high school was so messy and unorganized all the time. And then I have like bralettes in here. Bras that I never wear because who wears bras anymore? Ugh. And sports bras at the bottom. I'm considering moving like the bras. I'm just putting socks in there because I kind of never wear bras. So up here I have these 3 boxes that are from IKEA. I keep swimsuits in one, I keep clothes that need to go to the dry cleaners, and then I keep hats, I believe. Here in the middle of the closets, I kind of use it as like a dump space because no one can see it. And over here I just have like a couple pillows, a lamp that I need to sell, Up there I have some random stuff. On this side of the closet, I have my dresses and rompers. It's also kind of color coordinated here. And then I also keep all my shoes at the top of here. I have another fluff organizer. It's just like hidden storage, which is amazing. Definitely recommend. So that, oh, that is that. By the way, each closet has its own light, which is also amazing. On this side, I have more shoes at the top, more boots on this side. I keep skirts and pants over here. I need to redo this because I'm not super happy. I don't have it coordinated or anything, and all the hangers are matching, which bugs me now, which is crazy to say because I've never been like this. Like, Lord help me, who have I become? And then I have these 3 hanging organizers. In the middle, I have this black one, which has like heels, and then it has these drawers where I put like sandals and things that I don't really wear as much. This one is from IKEA. This one is from the storage, wait, what's it called? What's that organization? The Container Store. So I actually fold my pants, jeans here, like some leggings, and then in here I keep like workout tops, and then workout leggings, sweaters, and then I also bought this matching one from the Container Store to put my sneakers, because before I had them at the bottom. So yeah, shoes, and now I started adding some sandals in there too that I wear more often. This keeps all my pajamas, which I need to clear out because it's becoming more of just like a storage spot for all my crap that I don't feel like putting away. So typically this is where I have all my pajamas, and I have some of my Stuart Weitzmans in those boxes there. This side is my kind of miscellaneous closet that I kind of just throw a lot of stuff in. So I have my colored tops, which there's not many. I'm very much a neutral girl. I have some bags hanging here. I put all my socks in this organizer up there. And then just kind of random stuff. Some clothes, like winter clothes or summer clothes, depending on the holidays. Blanket, pillow, and like this is supposed to be more workout stuff, and it's just turning into a storage bin. But this is the closet that I don't really want anyone to go in. Now moving on to my bathroom, the final stop. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. These floors are so amazing. I just have some towels. I keep some jewelry hanging here. This is what I keep on top. I just cleaned my apartment, guys, so don't feel bad. My apartment typically doesn't look like this, although I do like to keep it pretty clean. It's never this clean, okay? In the top drawer, I have some earrings, contacts, deodorant, oils, face washing stuff, my makeup, face products that I use pretty often, and my skincare routine. In this drawer, I still need to organize it. It's just a hot mess. Curling tools, toilet paper, medicine, yeah. I'm gonna work on that. This is my shower. Look how pretty this like faux marble tile is. But yeah, if anyone has tips to get this to stay to the freaking wall, please tell me, because this thing always falls and it's so annoying. Both of these mats are from Home Goods. Basically everything in my apartment is from Home Goods. And then I have this like extra storage area in my bathroom, which is seriously amazing. On the back of the door, I hang purses. And this is a bookshelf I had in my living room at my last apartment, and I actually had them put it in the bathroom, and it's awesome. I keep towels up here. I organize some of my beauty stuff into bins. I have some lipstick, makeup brushes that I don't really use, nail stuff, sunglasses, Yeah, in these drawers I just have random stuff. My hamper, and then I use this side for storage, my Christmas tree, suitcases, and then over here is my laundry. That's what it looks like, which is awesome. I didn't have a laundry, what is this called, washer and dryer in my last apartment, so this has been amazing. I wash my clothes so much more often now. Alright guys, so that leads me to the end of the video, end of the apartment tour. I told you it wouldn't take too long. It's not that big of a place, but I do absolutely love it here. I'm so blessed and grateful for this place every day. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. I absolutely love it here. I'm so blessed and grateful for this place every day. It's exactly what I wanted in an apartment, and I'm so lucky I found it, and I also feel a lot safer here, which is really important to me with my experience with apartments, with the break-in. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it somewhere now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. If you guys have any questions or comments about it, please leave them down below. Check the description for links. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful week and a beautiful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
We can sleep under the stars or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars.